Super fast Ubuntu 25.04 installation in just over a minute. Let's go. All right, we're going to go through this install really quick in 1 minute out of this 50-minute video. So let's just blast through this. Basically select the language, hit next, next, next for, keyboard layout, internet, install. Now here, this is actually important. Do you want the default install with the basics, or do you want the extended stuff like Office tools, utilities, the web browser, that kind of stuff? I actually selected that because I felt like it would be a good demo. And here we're selecting third-party tools, multimedia, codecs, stuff like that. That's important too if you want that stuff to actually work. Like if you're using this as a desktop system, we're going to erase the whole disk. Select the disk we want to install to. Selecting no encryption right now, but if you want encryption, especially in a laptop, select it. Here we put in our username or password, no Active Directory, and we're going to go ahead, select our time zone, and continue on here. We're going to click install, and there we go. We sped ahead and it's installed. Just reboot the system now, and we are good to go. Working Ubuntu system. And this is what it looks like after booting up and logging into the desktop. Here we go. Basic, simple GNOME desktop. That's about it. Remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching.